Okay. Good afternoon, my dear student, and namaste to all my parents. My dear student, yesterday we discussed about these results. Okay, yes, causes. Okay, causes of this Second World War. There are so many causes behind this to happen this Second World War. Now today I presented here, my dear student, in front of you all by bringing this new topic, that is the results, or you can say results means there's consequences too. Parinam, okay? Parinam ke bhayo ta after the Second World War, okay? That topic today we are going to discuss, okay, in front of you all my dear student. Now first one is that unexpected loss of men and materials, okay? Unexpected loss of life and property भने पनि हुन्छ. Unexpected loss of life and property भने पनि हुन्छ. Unexpected loss of men and materials भने पनि हुन्छ. Both have their same meanings, okay? Yes, like this you have to understand. Actually, if we compare, okay, my dear student, if we compare about the First World War and the Second World War, yes, obviously the Second World War is more destructive because the chemical weapons are used the then time, atom bombs, okay, and warfare techniques are used in huge amount, so that the Second World War is more destructive than the First World War, okay. So that now first point is that we are discussing right now about the unexpected loss of life and property, okay. The chemical weapons as well as this atom bombs were used in the Second World War, so that the 20.2 million peoples were killed, okay. It means that unexpected loss of the human beings, uncountable loss of the human beings. This is the disastrous as well as the what dangerous this war in comparison to the First World War, okay. The 20.2 million peoples were killed. Similarly, 30.4 million people were injured. Either they are missed, okay. What a loss in the sectors of populations, or you can say there's humanity, okay. We cannot imagine. Look, these are this great loss, okay, during this Second World War, yes. And similarly, yes, human civilizations were destroyed. Costly bridges, large vessels, okay, were destroyed. And the problem of this refugee, yes, are emerged in this world, okay. Many women became this widow means vidwa, and many children became this as orphans. And similarly, many mega city, look, mega city like this Hiroshima and Nagasaki, as well as other big cities were totally ruined, totally destroyed, as well as they collapsed. Look, this is this. Right now we are discussing right now about the topic of results, about these consequences, okay. The costly bridge, large vessels, okay, and beautiful cities, or you can say mega cities were destroyed. Look, uncountable loss of these men and materials. Many people became this nationless, identityless. These are the results, pathetic condition in the sectors of human being as well as in the sectors of human civilization. The first one is that unexpected loss of life and property, there is no doubt, yes. Now second, America emerged as the first great power, means that after the Second World War, it has been seen in the history scenario that America emerged as the first powerful nation, or you can say first rate power, okay. How then? Now listen to me here. The big empire means Shakti, okay. Shaktisali Rashtraharu during the period of after this Second World War, they are paralyzed in their economic condition. Already I recited, my dear student, in front of you that war is not the solution of any problem, okay. जितेकोले पनि हारिरहेको हुन्छ in this war. So that the big empire, powerful nations were totally affected by this war, so that their economic condition is paralyzed. As today, due to the COVID-19, there is the economic crisis at the present context, okay. Same as in the Second World War, okay, there is the economic crisis. Look, the powerful nation, or you can say big empires, okay, their economic conditions became too much pathetic, worse, and their economic condition became this paralyzed. Look, this is the situation that has been emerged in this world, especially in the European nation, especially where in this European nation, so that the big empire nations like this Germany, Italy, France, Russia, okay, Japan, and many other nations were directly involved in this war. Okay, their economic condition became what? Very pathetic. And similarly, one thing we must have to remember in our mind that Japan did a sudden attack on this Pearl Harbor on 7th December 1941. Okay, the then time Japan is also very powerful nation during the period of the Second World War, so that actually America did the economic blockade to this Japan, so that to take this revenge with this America. Okay, Japan fighter plane suddenly attack on this Pearl Harbor, the place name that lies in the Hawaii island, okay, Hawaii island, on 7th December 1941. So that to take the revenge of that incident, look, to take the revenge of that incident, America dropped the atom bomb. The bomb name is this Little Boy and this Fat Man, okay, on 6th August and this 9th August 1945. Yes, my dear student, this date is very, very important for examination point of view. So that to take the revenge of the Pearl Harbor event, the America dropped at the end time of this Second World War on this Hiroshima and this Nagasaki on 6th August and 9th August in 1945. So they are the mega city of this Japan, like this Hiroshima and this Nagasaki, is totally destroyed, collapse. Collapse means kachak kuchukunu. All the structure, Sorup, okay, are totally badly changed. Due to this incident, the world, nations and the people recognize that yes, America is the most powerful nation. Right now we are discussing about the results. Don't focus the writing of the whiteboard, just listen my lecture, my dear student. I didn't believe about this writing on this copy. You must have to keep all these things in your CPU. That is the great achievement. Okay, लेखेर भन्दा पनि सुनेका कुराहरूलाई दिमागमा राख्न सक्नु, that is the great learning in my point of view. Okay, my dear student, yes, there is no doubt. Yes, now listen to me here. So that to take this revenge with this Japan, yes, America dropped this atom bomb, okay, in this Hiroshima as well as this Nagasaki on 6th and this 9th August 1945. The world, yes, nations and the people recognize, look, the America is the most powerful nation. Look, these are the results that has been seen after the Second World War. Today's topic is that the consequences as well as the results of Second World War. Now third, formation of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization and this Marshall Plan. Okay, the European, already I recited, I explained, my dear student, in front of you all, that most of the European nations were destroyed, collapsed, ruined, okay, and they are paralyzed. Look, this is the situation that has been seen mostly in these European nations. So that, now listen to me here. In European nations, slowly and gradually, look, my dear students, slowly and gradually in European nations, now communism started to spread. Communism is started to spread, especially in this European nation. Listen me nicely, my dear student, okay. After the Second World War, look, slowly and gradually, okay, my dear student, communism is started to spread in this European nations, which is not liked by this America. America always adopted the policy of capitalism, Pujibad. So that America is not satisfied about this spread of this communism in the most of these European nations. So that by the merged of America and West European nations, they formed organization that is known as this NATO, that the mean of North Atlantic Treaty Organization, and this NATO is established under the leadership of US Secretary General George Marshall. US Secretary means American Secretary George Marshall announced to give the economic help to this European nation. Actually, yes, it is the help for the reconstruction of this Europe and the European nations. The George Marshall announced to provide the economic assistance, economic aid, आर्थिक सहयोग दिने भनेर चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि घोषणा गरे. That is a 12.5 million US dollar for the reconstruction of the most of these European nations. But internally, its objective and its mission is that anyhow to stop this communism in these European nations. Look, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization was established, there is no doubt, by the West European nation and by this America. On the meantime, US Secretary General George Marshall announced to give the economic support for the reconstruction, for this development of these European nations. But internal intention of this NATO as well as the Marshall Plan is that anyhow to stop this communism in this Europe. Such types of the things has been seen in this Europe. And there is the now slowly and gradually misunderstanding has been started to create between Soviet Russia and this America. Oh, that is known as the Cold War. That is known as the Cold War, there is no doubt. The formation of NATO as well as the Marshall Plan is the result of this Second World War. Okay. And similarly, formation of Comecon, Council for Mutual Economic Aid. Now listen to me here. Yes, West European and America formed this NATO, and Marshall, US Secretary General Marshall announced to give the economic aid for the reconstruction of these European nations to stop this communism in this Europe. On the meantime, look, the Comecon was formed by the East European and the Soviet Russia. Its internal intention is that anyhow to spread the communism and to criticize the policy of Marshall Plan and to criticize the policy of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Okay, my dear student? Yes, of course, yes, there is no doubt. Then now listen to me here, formation of Comecon. हामीले के पढिरहेका छौं त अहिले भन्दाखेरि what we are learning right now is that the results of the Second World War. Second World War भइसकेपछि के कुराहरू चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि देखिन आयो त, के कुराहरू भए, that is our topic today. After the formation of NATO as well as this Marshall Plan, Soviet Russia as well as the East European nation also established this what the Comecon, and this Comecon was nurtured, nurture भनेको रेखदेख पालन पोषण गर्ने काम, okay, done by the Russian foreign minister. His name is Molotov, so that Comecon is also known as the Molotov Plan. Actually, Marshall Plan and Comecon Plan were formed, means Marshall Plan formed to stop this communism in this Europe, but Comecon was formed anyhow to spread this communism in this Europe. So these such types of this incident, okay, Ghatnakram has been seen in this world after the Second World War. Yes. So they are to form the Comecon first time. Soviet Union plus East European nation established this Warsaw Pact organization in 1955. The date is very, very important, my dear student. Yes, you must have to recognize in your mind. In 1955, the Soviet Union means that Russia, त्यति बेला रसिया टुक्रिसकेको थिएन. ओके, सोभियत रसिया नटुक्रिदाखेरि युएसएसआर भनिन्थ्यो भने टुक्रिसकेपछि बल्ल रसिया भन्न थालिएको. त remember like this, understand like this, my dear student. Okay, the formation of Comecon. Comecon stands for Council for Mutual Economic Aid. There is no doubt, this is the fact. Actually, Comecon was intentionally established to criticize the NATO as well as the Marshall Plan and to spread this communism, anyhow to spread the communism and to take the support from these European nations to make Russia strong, then America. Such types of the competition has been seen among the America and the Soviet Russia. This is known as the Cold War, just like भनिन्छ शीत युद्ध. Yes. Okay, my dear students. So now listen to me here. The Warsaw Pact organization was established in 1955 and it has been more advanced and more developed by this Russian Prime Minister. Yes, his name is Molotov. So that Comecon is also known as what? What? Molotov Plan. What? Molotov Plan. Because Molotov is this individual name. He is the foreign minister of Russia. He added extraordinary work and activities for the overall development of this what? Comecon. So that Comecon is also known as what? Molotov Plan. What? Molotov Plan. Okay. And now listen to me here. Next one is that the end of colonialism and this imperialism as well as the wave of national movement. Wave means छलाङ means the taranga. जस्तो समुद्रको चाहिँ if we go on this coastal area of the sea and ocean, there is this wave of this upper layers of this water. Yes or no? Wave means the taranga, it means yes. Okay. This national movement has been started in the world to make their nation independent from this imperialism. साम्राज्यवादबाट चाहिँ के विभिन्न राष्ट्रहरू अब स्वतन्त्र हुने क्रम अगाडि बढ्न थाल्यो. Our topic now is that end of colonialism as well as the wave of national movement. Now listen to me here. Most of the imperialist nation like this Britain, like the France, like the Germany, like this Italy, like this Japan, like this Russia, they became very, very weak on the sectors of economy. Because war is not the solution of any problem. There is always loss, loss and loss. There is no doubt, my dear student. Yes. So that the country like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, okay, similarly Malaysia, Egypt, okay, they are freed from this British rule. They are freed, swatantra bhaye from the what? British rule. And similarly Vietnam, yes, Cambodia as well as the Laos. What? Vietnam, Cambodia and the Laos is freed from this French imperialism. There is no doubt, yes, my dear student. And similarly Indonesia is freed from this Netherlands. Look, means that the map of the world has been now changed. The structure of the map of the world has been changed. Now we are discussing about these results. के भयो त? All these things are happened in this world after the end of the Second World War. There is no doubt. Yes or no, my dear student? Yes. And at last, yes, formation of UN, United Nations Organization. Now listen to me here. The first significant achievement in the world first time is the formation of League of Nations, which is established on 10th January 1920. I already discussed in front of you. You can watch on this previous class. Yes or no? Of course, yes, there is no doubt. Now, yes, now listen to me here. But League of Nations has been failed, yes, so that the Second World War has been caused. I already discussed in my previous class. Yes or no, my dear student? Of course, yes, there is no doubt. And now listen to me here. Yes, Second World War is very destructive, very pathetic, measurable. Yes or no? Of course, yes. And it is very dangerous too. Look, so that now the world leader now started to think and thought how to stop this World War. How to protect the mankind from this destructive artilleries as well as the chemical weapons. Now they became this serious, so that on the way of the Second World War, the American president, yes, Franklin D. Roosevelt, and the British Prime Minister, yes, Winston Churchill. This name must be recognized to all students in their mind. यो नाम जहिले पनि बुझ्नु पर्ने र दिमागमा राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ, my dear student. Okay, on the way of the Second World War, okay, the world leader the then time started to think how to stop this World War. The time has been came so that this American president, the then time is Franklin D. Roosevelt, and this British Prime Minister is Winston Churchill. They meet on the battleship at this Atlantic Ocean, and they discuss. They did the wider range of the discussion about the method of this, how to stop this Second World War. Okay, so that they issued the agreement. They issued what? The agreement on 14th August 1941. Sometime the question may be asked you like this also, what do you mean by this Atlantic Charter? For that purpose this is very important, so that the American president, yes, Franklin D. Roosevelt, as well as this British Prime Minister Winston Churchill, they met on this Atlantic Ocean on the battleship on yes 14th August 1941, and they did this wider range of this discussion about the way how to yes take out the conclusion to stop this Second World War, yes, and they issued this charter. Charter means written document that must be as followed by this agreed nation. Okay, that this charter is known as this Atlantic Charter. This has been issued on this 14th August 1941, so it is known as yes Atlantic Charter. After the Atlantic Charter, yes, another yes conference has been yes done, that is known as San Francisco Conference is also yes done, and finally, okay, by doing the many more homework and this exercise in various time and by these various efforts, at last the UNO was established on 24th October 1945. This is the great achievement, significant achievement after this Second World War, and it is established by this different missions, objective, as well as the what goal. The first one is that anyhow to maintain the peace, prosperity, dignity in all over the world. That is the function of UNO. Second, to achieve the international cooperation, friendship, help, exchange of the science and technology, develop the friendly relationship among these various nations, okay, and promote the respect and to yes protect these human rights and this freedom. These are this objective, these are this aim, these are this mission of the UNO. Okay, so these are the results of this what Second World War. Okay, now the next topic is that the role of Nepal during what this Second World War. Okay, yesterday I told you my dear student, during the First World War there is the Chandra Shamsher was the Rana Prime Minister, but in Second World War, now let's discuss about this role of this Nepal during the Second World War. Okay, during the Second World War, the Juddha Shamsher was this Rana Prime Minister. Okay, yes. So that at the beginning 8,000 of these Nepalese soldiers were sent under the command of this Babar Shamsher, and the total Nepalese soldiers participated are 2,50,000. Among 2,50,000, yes, 7,400 yes 7,000 okay 544 yes 7,544 yes Nepalese soldiers were killed. Great loss from the side of this Nepal. Active human resources are yes decrease, it means so, and 23,600 yes 55 yes were injured or they are missed, never came back to Nepal. This is the loss for this Nepal, and due to the yes great contributions, so for the yes gratitude, the British started to pay the 33.3 million yes Nepalese rupees, 33.3 million yes Nepalese rupees annually to the government of Nepal. And most of the Nepalese yes soldiers who were alive were decorated by this military cross as well as the war this Victoria Cross, and world people recognize this Nepal as yes what brave Gorkhali. These are the great achievement. Not only this, most of the Nepalese people who came back, they use and utilize their yes what this knowledge for this development of the nation, and they also became the yes plus point to in the yes what this Rana rule from this Nepal. Okay, in 2007 BS. So today we discuss about the yes what results and the role of yes Nepalese soldiers during the yes what Second World War. I hope yes my dear student you are understanding my concept. Okay. Okay, now okay, yes, this much this much for today my dear student. Tomorrow again I will present on the same time. Have a nice day, okay, and stay at the home and labor hard, and thank you very much my dears. Thank you.